Hey pretty gang, I'm coming at you guys today with a Get Unready with me. This is my night routine. First, I start off by just laying down my frontal, so the water won't mess it up. The best feeling in the world, snatching them lashes off, girl. You already know. I don't know why, but that is such a very, very good feeling. I don't know why though. It's just something about it. I use the Burts Towelettes. These that I'm using are the facial cleansing wipes. They are pink grapefruit seed oil. Excuse me, my voice is a little crusty here. They don't really get off all the makeup, but I just love the scent. Next, I take my washcloth and just wet my washcloth so that I can, wet my face, get ready for what I'm about to present to you guys next. This is the Soap and Glory Peaches and Clean Deep Cleansing Milk. It's a 4-in-1 wash off. I use about 2 pumps of this. I really like this stuff. It keeps my face soft and it does actually help me get my makeup off. This is something that I actually just picked up. I fell in love with it. I bought it from Ulta the other day. It was recommended. I can't remember who it was recommended by, but it was recommended by another YouTuber. I'm just gonna wash that on off. Next, to make sure my face gets squeaky clean, I'm also going to use this Soap and Glory face soap and clarity. It's got vitamin C in it, so it'll keep my skin bright. It's a 3-in-1 daily detox, so this works really good. I like to use these 2 Soap and Glory products in combination. Again, they work really good. The cleansing milk, I kind of use it just to loosen up all the makeup, and then the vitamin C wash, I use it to go back behind everything and just make sure everything is off. So then after that, I use a napkin, a paper towel, to kind of just pat my face dry. Then I use this Nivea Creme since it is the winter time. As you guys can see, I use it on my body as well, but since it is the winter time, this stuff is thick, so therefore my face is not dry. I love it, love it, love it. I'm not flicking y'all off, I promise. And then I just rub that all in my face. So this was a quick little short video. This is my night routine. After this, my skin feels squeaky clean and I can go to bed. I just gotta make sure I wrap my hair. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, pretty gang.